Picture this, a brutal cold snap sweeps across North America, halting life as we know it. The once bustling highways morph into treacherous icy pathways, making transportation a daring feat. The lively hum of electricity that powers our lives falls silent as power lines fail under the weight of snow and ice. The warmth of our homes, our sanctuaries from the harsh world outside, is sucked away as the biting cold infiltrates every corner. Water pipes, the veins of our homes, freeze and threaten to burst, jeopardizing the structural integrity of our homes and our access to running water. This isn't a dystopian novel or a scene from a disaster movie. This is the reality of a severe winter weather event, and it can happen anywhere, anytime. And when it does, the conveniences of modern living grind to a shivering halt. So how do we navigate these icy adversities? How do we survive when our world is plunged into a deep freeze? Welcome to our video, Top 9 Must-Have Winter Survival Items Everyone Needs Now. We'll explore the essential tools and strategies you need to endure these chilling conditions. This isn't about getting through the winter with your favorite hot cocoa and fuzzy socks. This is about survival. We're talking about the gear that could mean the difference between life and death when the temperatures plummet and the world turns ice cold. Whether you're a seasoned prepper, always ready for the next big freeze, or just beginning to understand the impact of severe winter weather, it's critical to be prepared. From essential heat sources to power solutions, nutrition and hydration, emergency and first aid supplies, and personal gear, we've got you covered. So grab your notepad, put on your thinking cap, and let's get ready to weather the storm. Because when it comes to winter survival, knowledge is your best weapon and preparation is your best defense. This isn't just about comfort, it's about survival. Let's delve into the top 9 must-have winter survival items everyone needs now. First on our list, we tackle staying warm. We begin with portable heaters. As the mercury dips below freezing, maintaining a livable temperature indoors becomes a matter of life and death. Portable heaters emerge as a beacon of warmth in such icy conditions. Compact yet powerful, they turn those bone-chilling rooms into havens of comfort. But remember, safety first. Always ensure your heater is designed for indoor use, equipped with an automatic shutoff feature and a sturdy base to prevent tipping. Never leave it unattended, and keep it clear of flammable materials. A well-chosen, well-used portable heater can be the difference between a frosty predicament and a warm refuge. Transitioning to our second essential item for heat, thermal blankets. These are no ordinary blankets. They're engineered to reflect back up to 90% of your body heat, making them a lightweight lifesaver in extreme cold. They are compact, easy to pack, and can even double as signaling devices in an emergency with their shiny, reflective surfaces. But not all thermal blankets are created equal. The best ones offer an impressive warmth-to-weight ratio, providing maximum heat retention without weighing you down. Armed with a reliable portable heater and a high-quality thermal blanket, you're well on your way to weathering the winter storm. But these are just the first 2 items in our survival arsenal. As we delve deeper into our list, we'll explore more survival items to keep you powered, nourished, and safe in the harshest winter conditions. Staying warm is the first step to surviving a harsh winter. But remember, survival isn't just about enduring the cold. It's about outsmarting it. It's about being prepared, staying informed, and making smart decisions. And with the right tools and strategies at your disposal, you're not just surviving the winter, you're mastering it. Next, we explore how to keep your devices charged and stay informed when the power grid fails. It's a cold, hard truth that winter storms can often lead to power outages. And in these instances, keeping your devices powered becomes a challenge. But fear not, because we have solutions. First up, we have solar chargers. Solar power is a reliable and renewable source of energy, and it's especially useful when your regular power sources fail. Solar chargers are designed to soak up the sun's rays and convert them into usable power for your devices. But you might wonder, how effective are they during the short, often overcast winter days? Well, you'd be surprised. Many of the latest models are designed to function efficiently even in low-light conditions. They're compact, portable, and can provide a lifeline to the outside world when you need it most. So whether you need to charge your phone, portable heater, or any other small device, a good solar charger can be a game changer. Now let's talk about hand crank radios. When the power's out and your battery-operated devices are running low, a hand crank radio can be your lifeline. These radios require no external power, a few turns of the handle and you're connected. It's an essential tool for receiving weather updates and emergency broadcasts. In a situation where information is crucial, a hand crank radio ensures you're always in the loop. The bottom line is, staying powered and informed is a survival essential. Solar chargers and hand crank radios are just two of the tools that can help you maintain that vital connection to the world when the lights go out. They're not just gadgets, they're lifelines. And as we continue to explore the top must-have winter survival items, you'll see just how crucial being prepared truly is. Staying powered and informed is vital in any survival situation. Now let's discuss the vital aspects of nutrition and hydration during a winter survival situation. When the temperatures plummet, not only do we face the challenge of staying warm, but we also face the risk of frozen and burst water lines. This can cut off your access to potable water, turning a challenging situation into a severe crisis. To circumvent this, it's essential to have a stash of storable water. This isn't your regular bottled water that you pick up at the grocery store. Storable water is specially packaged for long-term storage, often in durable, stackable containers. It's vital to have enough to last for at least a few weeks, if not longer. But what if your supply runs out, or you need to venture out into the icy wilderness? That's where a reliable water filtration system comes in. These systems allow you to purify snow or ice, removing any harmful bacteria or pollutants. When choosing a system, it's critical to pick one that can work effectively, even in freezing temperatures. Now let's move on to nutrition. In a winter survival situation, it's not just about having food, it's about having the right kind of food. Non-perishable food items are the order of the day here. Think canned goods, dehydrated meals, and freeze-dried foods. These items don't require heat or refrigeration, making them perfect for when the power's out. But don't just stock up on anything. Aim for foods that are high in nutritional value. Foods rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats can provide the energy you need to stay active and warm. Also, consider items with long shelf lives and those that taste good too, because let's face it, there's no reason why survival food can't be enjoyable. Remember, proper nutrition and hydration are crucial for maintaining strength and health during a survival situation. With the right planning and preparation, you can ensure you have the essentials to withstand even the harshest winter conditions. Injuries can happen at any time. Let's look at how you can be prepared to respond swiftly and effectively. When the temperature drops and the snow starts to fall, the risk of injuries increases, making a comprehensive first aid kit an absolute necessity. This isn't your average Band-Aid and antiseptic kit. A winter-ready first aid kit must include items specifically designed for cold weather injuries. Think about including instant heat packs. These are vital for treating hypothermia and frostbite, providing immediate warmth to affected areas. Hypothermia blankets are another must-have. They're designed to retain body heat and can be a lifesaver in extreme cold. Also, consider adding a high-quality thermal flask filled with a warm drink or soup. This can help raise the body temperature of someone suffering from the cold. Your kit should also contain standard first aid items like bandages, wound dressings, antiseptic wipes, and a first aid manual. It's crucial to know how to use these supplies effectively. A solid understanding of first aid procedures can mean the difference between life and death in an emergency. But prevention, as they say, is better than cure. This brings us to our next essential winter survival items: ice melters and snow removal tools. Icy walkways and snow-covered driveways are accidents waiting to happen. It's essential to keep these areas clear to prevent slips and falls. An effective ice melter can quickly break down ice on paths and driveways, making them safer to use. Pair this with a sturdy snow shovel to keep your walkways clear of snow. Choose one with an ergonomic design to reduce strain on your back. Remember, a well-maintained path is less likely to cause accidents. Being prepared for emergencies and having the right first aid supplies can make all the difference in a survival situation. So, stock up, stay vigilant, and let's get through the winter safely together. Finally, we delve into personal gear. Let's talk about clothing. When the world turns into a frost-bitten wasteland, your apparel isn't just about style, it becomes a lifeline, a barrier between you and the icy grip of winter. The importance of insulated winter clothing cannot be overstated. It's your personal fortress against the cold, a layer of protection that can make the difference between a winter adventure and a frostbite nightmare. Start with the basics. A good, insulated jacket is your first line of defense. Look for one that is water-resistant, windproof, and packed with a high-quality insulator like down or synthetic fibers. The best jackets will have a high warmth-to-weight ratio, providing maximum heat retention without weighing you down. Next, consider your pants. Many people overlook the importance of insulated pants, focusing only on their upper bodies. but your legs are just as susceptible to the cold. Look for pants with similar qualities as your jacket: water-resistant, windproof, and well-insulated. But don't forget about your extremities. Your hands and feet are particularly vulnerable to the cold, as blood flow to these areas can be limited in freezing temperatures. That's where gloves and boots come in. When selecting gloves, look for options that offer a balance of dexterity and warmth. Your boots should be well insulated, waterproof, and provide good traction for icy conditions. Last but not least, remember to layer. Layering traps air between your clothes, creating an additional insulation barrier. Start with moisture-wicking base layers. Add an insulating middle layer, and finish with a weather-resistant outer layer. Choosing the right winter gear is not just about comfort, it's about survival. These clothes are your shield against the biting winds, the driving snow, and the numbing cold. They're your personal cocoon of warmth in a world turned ice cold. Remember, the right gear can be your best defense against the harsh winter cold. Stay warm and stay safe.